Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today our group would like to present about topic 2 from electronic device. In this video, we are going to see thyristor, IGBT, IC analog and digital, and last CMOS. Before we start, I would like to introduce my group members. So here's the content that will follow this video. Each small topic will be explained by one of the group members.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Khairunisa Shafia binti Kamarunizam. S70837 will focus on the key topic of thyristor. What is thyristor? A thyristor is a 4-layer semiconductor device consisting of alternating P-type and N-type materials. A thyristor usually has 3 electrodes, which is an anode, a cathode, and a gate, also known as a control electrode, where it used often where the current and the voltage levels are relatively high. The most common type of thyristor is the silicon control rectifier. Let's move on to the function of thyristor. The function of thyristor is to control the electric power and current by acting as a switch. The crucial difference between transistor and thyristor is that a transistor is a 3-layer device that requires regular current pulse in order to ensure conduction. Thyristor is also only it with his line. First is a silicon control rectifier. It is conduct current in only one direction, functioning as a unidirectional device. Second is triacs. Triacs are bidirectional and capable of conducting current in both directions. Third is diode. Bidirectional device but often used as a trigger for triacs. Last but not least, the application of the thyristor, where you can enter into speed control like dimmer, camera flash, or various types of circuits such as inverter, logic, and timer circuits.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Al-Hadid bin Muhammad Khairuddin, S70928, and I would like to explain about IGBT. IGBT stands for Insulated Gate Bipolar Transistor. It is a power electronic circuit element formed by the development of the best features of the MOSFET and BJT transistor. It appears in many areas used for switching purpose. IGBT can act as triac or transistor when needed. Are used extensively, especially in the UPSs that require high switching speed. The IGBT is the combination of BJT and MOSFET. Its name also implies the fusion between them. Insulated gate refers to the input part of MOSFET having very high input impedance. It does not draw any input current, rather it operates on the voltage at its gate terminal. Bipolar refers to the output part of BJT having bipolar nature, where the current flow is due to both types of charge carrier. It allows it to handle very large current and voltage using small voltage signals. This hybrid combination makes the IGBT a voltage controlled device. IGBT have 3 pins. One of them is the gate, the other is collector, and the last one is the emitter. Now let's look at the advantage and the disadvantage of IGBTs over BJT and MOSFET transistor. If we start with the advantages, higher current and voltage handling capabilities, very high input impedance, can switch very high current using very low voltage, higher power gain than both BJT and MOSFET, higher switching speed than BJT. Disadvantages: lower switching speed than MOSFET and costlier than BJT and MOSFET.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ifai Durani and my matric number is S71023. First of all, I would like you to know what is a IC. IC is a tiny semiconductor based chip called an integrated circuit. The circuit is built around this chip. Comparing it to a simple circuit composed of many components, it is quite small. It is around of the size of human fingernail. Currently, monolithic chips are the most widely used integrated circuits. An integrated circuit is chip that is utilized in practically all modern electric device or appliance. These cover devices like laptops, TVs, cell phones, and even kid-oriented toys. Now, I am going to elaborate differences between IC digital and IC analog. First, I am going to tell about IC analog. This integrated circuit, also known as linear and radio frequency integrated circuits, which operate within a fixed signal range. The relationship between the voltage and the current may be non-linear in most cases. Next, IC analog is operational amplifiers, or op-amps, are the most commonly used analog integrated circuits and are identical to differential amplifiers. Compared to digital integrated circuits, these have fewer transistors and a higher voltage gate.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Afiman bin Aziz. My matric number is S70312. Next, I'm gonna explain about the differences in IC digital. These are integrated circuit chips that operate on limited range of defined signal amplitude level. Several digital logic, flip-flops, multiplexers, gates, and other electrical circuits components are specifically used in the construction of digital integrated circuits. Both digital and binary input data, such as 0 and 1, are used by logic gate function. The next differences in IC digital is digital signal processor. Frequency counter, computers, computer networks, and microprocessors all make extensive use in digital integrated circuits. Other subcategories within category include memory chips, interface ICs, programmable ICs, logic OCs, and power management integrated circuits. There are many applications of integrated circuit. For example, radar, computer, television, logic devices, video processor, memory devices, audio amplifier, juice makers, microwave amplifiers, microcontrollers, clock chips, counters, small signal amplifier, flip-flop, timers, memory chips, and many more.
Hi guys, today I want to talk about CMOS. Know CMOS? Yes. Okay. CMOS stands for complementary metal oxide semiconductor, which is the technology used in the design and fabrication of integrated circuit, including microprocessor, memory chip, and other digital logic circuit. This employs both n-type and p-type metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor to achieve low power consumption and high noise immunity. CMOS technology is widely used in a modern electronic device due to its efficiency and versatility.
We have reached the end of the video. In summary, there are a variety of electrical devices utilized in different applications, such as thyristors, IGBTs, insulated gate bipolar transistors, and analog and digital integrated circuits. Solid-state switch, known as thyristors, are frequently used to switch and manage electrical power. Inverters, motor drives, and power electronics frequently employ IGBTs, a kind of transistor that combines the benefit of bipolar and field effect transistor. IC analog and digital, on the other hand, are integrated circuits that are utilized in many different applications, including signal processing, and they comprise both analog and digital circuits.